So here I'm going to put our design into the epoxy river. First, you basically want to give it some time to set up though, because if you stir it too soon, all the design that you put into will actually kind of just dissipate and go away. So the real trick is to wait about 4 to 6 hours, get it to be it's a little bit thicker, and that way your swirls won't just disappear because it's basically starting to set up now. Different epoxies do have different cure times though, so depending on which epoxy you're using will dictate how long you want to wait before putting the swirls in there. The longer you wait, the thicker it'll get, the more it'll keep the image that you put the design into. Basically, but if you wait too long, it'll be too hard and you try to put the swirl in and it'll be difficult to do so. And also you'll have like peaks and valleys, it won't like flow out. So it's kind of like a battle between being too set up and being too runny. But if you wait about 6 or 8 hours for this particular epoxy, it's about what you want as far as the thickness goes. But it will, even this, even though it's a lot thicker, it'll slightly, flow out, so it won't look exactly like this. But that's also kind of beneficial too, because it'll look more natural once it flows out a little bit. Because here you can see like the hard swirl marks, and it'll flow out a little bit better once, like over time. Yeah, basically we just torch it. If there's any bubbles arising to the surface, the bubbles could be anything from when we mix the original epoxy, bubbles will start to come up through the surface as it settles in there, as well as if you do any type of mixing in the river itself to get your design, you'll probably create bubbles, and it's always best to try to get rid of those. That way it's a nice clean glass surface for when you actually go to spray the top coat.